The technical definition of flow is an optimal state of consciousness, a state of consciousness where we feel our best and we perform our best.
Csikszentmihalyi talks about true engagement, which is kind of the opposite end of boredom. True engagement is when we are so lost in the tasks at hand that we lose a sense of time, we lose a sense of space, we even forget ourselves and kind of our ego rumination and what stuff means to you. We also are challenging ourselves just enough so that we're out of our comfort zone, but we're getting challenged and we're getting feedback on our performance.
Right, so flow refers to those moments of total absorption. We get so sucked in by the task at hand that action and awareness start to merge and everything else just disappears. Your sense of self vanishes, time passes strangely. Sometimes it slows down, other times it can speed up, and throughout, all aspects of performance go through the roof. Flow massively amplifies motivation. It's now kind of referred to as the source code of intrinsic motivation, which is a fancy way of saying the state is really, really addictive. It feels really, really good. It's very, very addictive. Whatever produces the state, we want more of it. Shows up in anyone, anywhere, provided certain initial conditions are met. And it doesn't really matter where it shows up. Wherever it shows up, it massively amplifies performance.
Because it's like, wow, the supercomputer that was half a building now fits in your pocket. Holy shit. And guess what? In the next 25 years, it'll be the size of a blood cell. That's where we're heading. Because as soon as you make a statement like that, you're like, don't you realize how this changes the game for humanity? What becomes possible is unbounded in any way. It's beyond our intuition, because our intuition is still linear. Oh, guess what? Disruption is nothing to be afraid of, but it's actually the greatest opportunity we've ever had to use these tools to impact humanity in a positive way.
Now, I love this stuff. And you're listening to that, you could tell he just went into a flow state right there, like his eyes changed, and like, it's pretty cool.